Bet you're all wondering when I was going to put that roof on. Today's our lucky day. The rains have stopped for a few days. So let's see how far we can get.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, baby. Oh, lots of there. Fingers. Oh yeah, baby. She's heavy. Almost a mistake. No. Ooh. That was a moment in your life where you're like, why? Pretty stay there. Give me a hard time, I'll tell you what. Oh, connection there. She's not coming down. Center this. Right in. best option, cut that front one. Fastest option, cut the back one. Hey, that's... Actually, I have a better idea. Alright. So, my new idea. Replace all this. It's pretty seedy for the ground. I thought I'd just bring you along for the ride. Replace these ones. These are done doing these ones. That's my thoughts. If I didn't screw this up, mate. That'll work. Front. I'll see you there. Much better. Let's see you on the other side. If you don't find you handy, they'll always find you handsome. Alright, let's move on down. Finish this up. Nice, it's all in. Straight for it. Much better. No more fighty. Now we just have to see which one goes. Since this wood fell off the truck, the other stuff, all the sheet wood, $10 a sheet. Oh, top board. Work a deal with the manager. I deal with the store for $10, sometimes $5. Depends on their mood. Let's take this off. Give her a cut. Good one, man. Guess we'll be back. Much better. Alright, see you on the other side. You guys made it. That's it. OSHA violation right here. Tell the boss. You guys want to go inside? See what we got to fix in there. Great. Welcome inside. See what we got to do. And don't do too bad. Looks good. It's all right. It's good. I'm just gonna put that, fix that, fix that, and we'll be back. All right. So you'll have to excuse the mess. And of course, there's no lights. We figured out our situation for now. I thought it was going to be harder, but it's not as hard as it looks. I hold me 150, 160. Solid. It looks so nice. It looks so nice. It looks so good. Time for you guys to go to the other side. Let's see if we can do the same thing we just did. Let's see. Maybe we might get lucky. Beautiful. Why we thought of that earlier. Right up and inside that. Really nice. Unbelievable. Going fantastically fantastic. Oh yeah. Smart move, put your head to that. That wood that fell off the truck. What a score. That's a true story. Couldn't make that up. Well, that's as good as the thing is long. Let's switch it up to shading the outside. We'll be back.